doing? How you doing? Are you waiting for the birds? Hi. You're so cute, Opie. You're purring? Look at that face. Look at Opie. Look at love. Shay's Lounge. You're in the basement, Opie, right? Your favorite spot? Aww. Hi. Look at that face. That's my cat, Opie. Today is January 25th, about 9:30 in the morning. Hi. Hey. You waiting for the birds to come out now? Are you a little bit camera shy? You camera shy, Opie? Tabby love? Tabby love in line? Look at those paws. Look at those paws. Oh boy. They're huge. I love you, Opie. You love me. I love you, Opie. Aww. You're my buddy.